You need to look at fasting as an exercise for your willpower. What is willpower? Willpower is the ability to control your thoughts and your actions to do what you want. It's like the power of self-control. It's your personal power to overcome things like temptations, cravings, addictions. Your willpower helps you stick to something, but it's kind of like a muscle that needs to be developed and strengthened. And you can do this through intermittent fasting. So really when you do intermittent fasting, it's a exercise or a workout to improve your willpower, your ability to stick to something. Now, some people will say, well, I don't have the willpower to do intermittent fasting. But fasting increases your ability to do more fasting. So really, you just need to do it and get started, and then it'll get easier and easier and easier. Why? Because it removes the barriers to do fasting in the first place. It gets rid of your hunger, it gets rid of your cravings, bad habits, because it's a training exercise. Just like when I was in the Army, I had to go through a series of training exercises that improved my discipline and my willpower. Same thing with wrestling and playing the guitar. So you go through a series of exercises to build up a new ability. And then the only barrier probably would be left would be your love for food. And I can't help you with that one. But there are some things that you can do if you're new to my channel to start with, to start to get into intermittent fasting so you can greatly enhance your willpower. Number one, start intermittent fasting without keto. So pretty much just eat what you normally eat, but just add in fasting, okay? Skip your breakfast. So that way you have 2 meals, no snacking. You can add MCT oil, which is a fat that will greatly help your ability to fast. There's something called the Bulletproof Coffee you can have in the morning. I'll put a link down below of how to do that, and that's going to definitely help you fast through the morning. Then your first meal will be at like 12, second meal at 6, and right there, that's going to be your start. Then as you do it, things will become easier. You add keto. You lower your carbs. What's that going to do? Lowering your carbs will make it easier to fast longer because you're not going to add sugar in there that influence your blood sugars. And then the last thing I would do is I would take all the foods that you really love, like as far as the desserts and the junk food, and find a replacement for them. I have a lot of ideas. I put a link down below of the most common things that people love and how to make those keto friendly. And lastly, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to rate your current willpower on a scale from 0 to 10. 0 being no willpower, 10 being amazing willpower. Because I want you to then come back to this video after 2 weeks of doing fasting and take a look at that number. You're going to find that your willpower is off the charts. And willpower is going to really help you in many areas of your life. It's going to help you follow through. It's going to help you complete things. And it'll help your confidence. Thanks for watching. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of my content, I would love to hear about your success story. Please share it in the link down below.